starting this apprenticeship, especially with John doing renovations, is a lot more involved than people think.
G'day, my name's John from Quickstart Carpentry. I've been Managing Director since 2017.
My name's Jerome. I'm fourth year apprentice. I've been with John with Quickstart Carpentry for 3 years. I'm currently team leader for the other two apprentices, and I'm being coached in becoming a supervisor.
My current role at Quickstart Carpentry is Managing Director and Builder. I started pre-apprenticeship when I was 16 through school, and then progressed through my career. I formed a business at the age of 21 or 20, and then moved through as a carpenter, and then I always did through my apprenticeship extensions and renovations, and now that's what our business model is based around.
So I'm currently a team leader. I'm overseeing two other apprentices. I'm fourth year. I started my pre-apprenticeship at 16 as well, and then I went on to my apprentice through school doing SBAT, school-based apprenticeship, and I started with my dad. I did a year with him. We did maintenance, just private maintenance in private homes, a bit of everything, and then I moved over with John during my second year of apprentice.
One of my favourite aspects as a builder is client satisfaction and the joy that you can actually bring a client at the end of the job. A second favourite aspect of being a builder is watching your young team, especially apprentices, grow into being mature carpenters and then rolling into progression at a stage of being a builder.
My favourite aspect is probably job satisfaction. So, looking back at the end of the day, or the end of the job at least, and seeing that, you put all your work into this job and seeing that it's been done at a high standard. In school, there was all these ideas that, doing a trade is for people who don't know what they're doing. But really, I see that starting this apprenticeship, especially with John doing renovations, is a lot more involved than people think. You have to know a lot about the industry, know about all the regulations and codes. That there's so much you have to know. It's a lot more involved. You have to actually be pretty intelligent to do a trade. And what I've learned is that you really never stop learning in this trade, and that's what I really like about it. Is you always have to adapt, always have to overcome the issues.
Becoming a building practitioner and needing to know everything, from plumbing to electrical, and it really just puts a different perspective on problem solving and the way you go about your daily business. Teamwork and problem solving. You've got to be hardworking and dedicated to what you're doing. And the last and final thing that I would recommend is just collaborate with everyone and understand your peers. You're all in the same category as each other. No one is better than each other, and just work together.
Push probably communications. So being able to work well in a team to convey your ideas to others. And another skill is dedication. Like John said, to be able to be dedicated to the job, to keep working your skills, and also to have good management skills.